So hi everyone, good evening. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself in this COVID times. I hope you are following whatever the government instructions given by the government by our respected Prime Minister Mr. Modi. So the lockdown has been increased till 3rd of May. So I hope that you are taking good care of yourself, working on your health, working on eating good food, and working on your professional as well as personal goals. So today the topic what I'm going to share with you all is the goal setting. Now goal setting is something very important. Wants, everybody has some dreams, some goals to achieve in their life. Now the basic thing is we make our goals, right? We set our priorities, but the reason being is we are not able to achieve that. If we are able to achieve that, our inner self does not go beyond what is expected, right? So the difference between ordinary and extraordinary, if we see, that is little extra. So we have to put in that 101% and 120% so that we can set our goals on priority. So guys, today I'll be taking you with the small presentation that we can see that how we can set our goals, how we can work that plan, what are the tools. I'll be sharing with you with one tool also, so that that can help you to make your goal and achieve your goals on priority. So that is very important. So whatever goals, so at the end of the presentation, when you are going to the presentation, I would request you to please drop in your comments that whatever goals you have in your life and what you are not able to achieve and what you have achieved so far, what is your vision of life, what is your mission of life. I hope everybody has a vision, everybody has a dream to take care of it, but due to some personal professional challenges, you are not able to achieve that. So that is very important, that how to go about it, how to see and how to feel and take responsibility, take and be in charge of ourselves so that we can achieve our personal goal and see that whatever we are achieving, whatever we want to do, whatever we want to achieve in life is being done by us, right? So that make me tell to start the presentation. So I have a very small PPT with you all. So just I want you to go all through that. So we can see a small, this is a small presentation on goal setting. So just now, guys, I just want to tell you that I told you about what is goal, right? So goal can be something that we want to achieve, or in near future that can be a short-term goal, that can be a long-term goal, that can be that you have made for 6 months, that you have made for 12 months or a year, 5 years, 10 years down the line. So this is how it begins. So in this first slide, we can see that whatever you can do or you can dream, begin it. Boldness it has to be genuine, it has to be magical, and it has to be the power in it, right? That was told by John Wolfgang Von. So this is the quote I just wanted to share with you. So goal setting is the process. It is a kind of a process deciding what you want to accomplish in life, right? And devising a plan for it. Now, sometimes we make a plan, but we doesn't work on that plan. So it is clearly said, make that plan and work on that plan. So that is very important and key ingredient of setting a goal. Now there are two part of the process. One is decide what you want to achieve. So now it is not hypothetical something that you want to achieve. You have to write it down somewhere and you have to see it daily. So that develops a vision in your mind, right? And the other part of the process is we have to work at accomplishing whatever the goals we have set for ourselves. So that can be like you want to learn some skill, or you want to increase your knowledge, or you want to give some examination, or you want to support, you want to take initiative, you want to develop a principle. There are a lot of things that can be taken care of. Now we can see that for so many people, it is the second part of goal setting, right? Now, if I go about it, definition that may be problematic, that can be confusing. So people know what goals they have, they know how to achieve it, but they don't just go, they develop an action plan also, but they don't work on it. So that is a bit challenging here. One way to get over this, now how to get over this is to set a smart goal, right? So what is a smart goal? Smart goal, that is something very specific. It has to be a specific. It's not like that I want to capture the sky, or that should be something very specific, a very specific tagline, that I want to be earning this much of money, I want to get this position in the organization. That has to be specific. Now it has to be measurable also, measurable in terms of time, measurable in terms of quantity. We cannot measure quality. So these are the two factors, quantity or time. That is very important. Is it attainable or not? Now, the big question is what goals we are setting. So we have to take some small steps. That small steps can tell us that is it attainable or not. Now, suppose we take an example of a small boy, right? Small baby of 6 months to 12 months, or we can say 1.5 year. So when it starts walking, so can you tell me that it directly start walking or first it started to crawl? So that is something what I'm meaning of small steps. So we have to crawl first. We have to then stand up, and then we'll fell down. Again we'll stand up. We'll fell down. Then we'll take one step, two steps. So that is has to be relevant, attainable. Sorry. Then it has to be relevant. Now relevancy comes from the thing that is it ethical goal? Is it non-ethical goal? Now if you're doing something non-ethical, that is not good. If you're using some gimmicks to sell anything, so that is not good, right? So that has to be relevant goal, relevant that what relevancy you have. If you are achieving that goal and that is relevant, so what thing you are attaining yourself and what things your family will get when you attain that thing. So that is relevancy is, and it has to be time bound. It's not like that. It's not time bound. I'm not able to achieve that. Then I shifted that time from 6 months to 12 months, then a year. So that will start decreasing your confidence. That would not boost your confidence. That would give you more negativity, more that it would be a lot of ambiguous. So it has to be a smart goal. Now moving on to the specific goal should include it should not be stretching that much. It should be systematic, synergizing. It should give you synergy, feeling of synergy, significant, and shifting around the picture. Whatever you are doing, it has to be some growth into that. If the growth is not there, then the goal is not at all of use. Then, if I talk about measurable goal, it should be meaningful, it should be memorable, it should motivate you sometimes. If you want to wake up early, you are setting your alarm at 5 o'clock, but you are not able to wake up. Now, what is the problem in that? Now, if I go very deep into it, you want to go to the office on Monday and you have to wake up at 5 o'clock because your office cabs comes at 6 o'clock. Now that you don't feel like going to the office on Mondays, or you don't want to shift your comfort zone. Now if we plan a picnic, or if we plan a team outing that we have to go to Manali, or we have to go to Rajasthan somewhere long drive, then automatically your eyes open at 5 o'clock. Now this is the difference. What we like to do pushes us, push up, that pushes us. Now if we don't want to do that, has a pull to it, right? We have vice versa, we can say. Now, in addition to the achievable goals, it should have the action plan. Now, what action plan you have? What is the plan? Have you written somewhere? So what I suggest you take a small copy of 30 pages, write your goals on the day one, and write small steps that you are able to achieve till the page 30, till the day 30. So you will definitely see a very improvement in yourself. So there is small technique, small tool that you can use. Now, relevant is what? If you have a family, you are earning, then definitely that money will help you your children to pay the school fees. You can afford your car, you can go for shopping, you can enjoy life. Now is it result oriented? Will it give you some reward if you're working for something? If it rewards, that reward can be monetary rewards, then can be a non-monetary rewards, then can be related to a position in organization you want to achieve. So that kind of it gives us a push from behind if you want to do that something, if you want to achieve that something. So its relevancy depends upon you, what relevant goals you have. It is time based, it should be tangible, it should be thoughtful. It has a time, it should have a time limit that you want to do something. If you don't have a time limit attached to your goal, then no making of goal. There is no point in making a goal. So please attach a small time bound, take small steps. You will definitely go to it. Now, goal plus action is equal to success. Now, I have made my goal. Now, I have no action attached to it. Will I get success? No, not at all. So, we have to do some action. We have to achieve a goal. For achieving the goal, there has to be an action attached to it. If I want to win a marathon, if I want to 100-meter race, then I have to practice it a lot from starting. We have seen a lot of movies that gives us a lot of motivation. Suppose if I talk about the story of Fogart sisters in the Dangal movie we have seen, in which they are practicing since very childhood, then they are winning the goal. Now we have seen a lot of other movies on the same content as well. So that is the time bound time thing attached to it. Now, what is the goal setting tip? These are small tips. You know it already, but just to reiterate, just want to choose your goal worthwhile, choose your goals that are achievable. Now make your goal specific, that I told you, that has to be a specific goal, not a very vague goal. Commit, there has to be commitment. If you don't commit to your goal, then it is a passive thing and you will not be able to achieve that. Then you have to prioritize it. Make your goals real to it. Give some time, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, realize it. Close your eyes for 2 minutes, close your eyes for 1 minute. Think, feel yourself, visualize. Visualization creates a bigger power. There has a law of attraction attached to it that will give you a lot of self awareness to it. Set deadlines, right? If you're not able to achieve, then again work your plan, work your plan, work your plan. You will achieve it. Evaluate your goals time to time, then reward yourself for accomplishment. Small reward of five-star also can be a small reward for yourself. So just think on it, right? So this was my small presentation on goal setting. I have made a small Excel. So I just want to share with you. This is a small Excel sheet. I'll share with you all if you want. I'll share it on your email. So this is a strategic plan for goal setting. Now, first thing, what I have to write is my strength. Now, what is strength? That is personal to me. But in general, if I talk about the strength, so it can be confidence, right? It can be hard work, but nowadays we can see it is a smart work going on. So we plan, if I put three strength, then I put my weaknesses also. In general, people have a lot of weaknesses that now it's not my weakness actually. I'm just putting it in general so that people can learn, and when they have this sheet, they can learn it properly and can use it for their development as well. So weakness, if I talk about, some people say that waking up early. Waking up early is a weakness. EAR, waking up early is a weakness of some people. Now, some people trust factor is also very weakness of somebody. Now, if I talk about sincerity, sincerity is also a weakness for somebody. Now, the other part we can see opportunities to expand the plan. Now, what opportunities do I have? I have a smartphone, so that is an opportunity. I can make my plan. I have a smartphone. Then apart from that, I have my goal sheet. That is the sheet that I'm discussing upon you. Now, what else you can do? You have a lot of knowledge. You can gain a lot of knowledge from internet. So that is the thing. Now, what is my belief? Now, what is my belief to achieve my goal? My belief can be my thinking, what I think about my goal. My belief can be my intuition. My belief can be my confidence. So now the next tab, if I talk about this tab tells us what is the purpose for creating this goal. Now that purpose can be different, and it can be different, and it can differ from people to people, right? So suppose the purpose can be, why I want to achieve goal. I want to earn money. That can be money. That can be respect also. That can be respect, right? That can be fame. That can be rewards. So there can be a lot of things. So you have to do it. Now, what is my target? So if I want to set my future date, so like suppose today is 16th of April. Now I have set my goal that I will learn, that I'll finish a book. I'll finish a book on an author like we can say Chetan Bhagat, for example. So if I put a future date, that can be like 30th of April, right? So it depends upon goals. So what revenue it will give me. So if revenue, if I talk about it, give me uh, knowledge, right? So what profit? So profit can be, it can be awareness. Or you want to earn money, you can earn money. Now goals, targets where. Now goals, what I want to. So year ending, revenue, profit, everything you can put over here, right? So targets we have done. Now how to do it, that depends upon you, that how you want to achieve your goal, right? What is your action plan? What is the action plan you have planned? So that is very important. Then capabilities, what are you capable of? What are the key initiatives you want to do for yourself, or you want to do for your company, or if you're running a small business for yourself, that can be done for you also. Then who's accountability, like who you want to get help from, then some numbers, then again all those things. So this is the elevator pitch that I'll be using, that I'll achieve this goal. This goal is important to me. So this is a small sheet which I have made that I can share with you all. And this is the theme also, that what is the annual theme. Suppose we make a resolution, we are not able to achieve that. So this is a small theme. So this is the small some sheet on the goals, so you can achieve it, right? So this this line, if I talk about, this is very important. This you can learn, this you can devise it yourself, and you can learn a lot from it, right? So guys, this was the small my thing, just I just wanted to share with you. So I hope you will enjoy this, and I hope you will take advantage of it, whatever has been shared with you all. And definitely do comment me and do tell me that what more you want, what topics you want more to be covered, what things I may have covered more deeply. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your overwhelming response. And definitely I'll be coming with more interactive series. Though I'm occupied with my work also, I have a lot of professional commitments as well that will be taken care of. So my, in the video, there is might be gap of 2 3 days. So I think 2 days is normal, because that would give time to the audience also to see that what they can learn and what they can achieve. And I'm thank you, and I wish you more power to everyone to come out of this COVID-19, and do support the government also in a lot of activities and a lot of initiative. And one thing more, please feed the stray animals because they also need our help. Keep some water for them outside your homes. And thank you so much for your time, and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.